Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create custom audiences in Google Ads. Open your browser and go to the Google Ads platform. Once there, you should land on the Overview page, your main hub for tools and features. In the menu, click on Shared Library, then select Audience Manager. This is where you'll create and manage your audience segments. Click the plus icon to create a new audience. Choose website visitors to target users who've interacted with your site. Give your audience a clear name, then define who you want to include, either all visitors or those who completed specific actions. Set conditions for segment membership, such as pages visited or time spent. You can also choose a time frame, like users from the past 30 days, and decide whether to prefill the segment with past visitors. Optionally, add a short description to explain the segment's purpose. Once you're happy with the settings, click Create Segment. And that's it. You've created a custom audience tailored to your ad goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.